Hi guys, my name is Ian, and I am here today to show you my internship experience at Ourglass Robotics. So without further ado, let's go. Ourglass Robotics is a local robotics redistributor company founded by Mr. William Dai. They sell a wide variety of Pudu robots, which are manufactured from China Shenzhen. These are their main products. These robots have been widely used by the various industries, some of the famous ones being Din Tai Fung and Grand Hyatt. Their purposes vary, from the delivery of food, to the ushering of guests to their tables, as well as for the transportation of dirty dishes to the dishwashing room. All as a means to combat the shortage of manpower. During my attachment, I was part of the technical department, where it consists of the pre- and post-sales team. Here in the pre-sales, I had to deploy the robots at the various locations. I was involved with the setting up of the robots, and did tasks such as the pasting of visual markers along the ceilings, as well as programming the robot for its path of motion. Upon completion of the deployment process, I would then teach the staff there how to use the robots based on their workflow, to ensure that they are able to use the robot effectively. In post-sales, my task ranges from providing the general care and servicing of the robots, to the maintenance and repair for our clients. I learned how to identify the various error codes faced by the robots and pinpoint where does the issue resides at. From there I would then do a full replacement of its faulty components. I also had to handle the clients and their inquiries on the issues they encountered with the robots, both face-to-face or on the WhatsApp support chats. Through these sectors, it has helped me to develop relevant skill sets, in which I could apply onto my everyday life, and one of which is my soft skills, such as communication. I am often required to converse with the clients, especially during the training sessions, in which I would have to teach them. Hence it is important that the message brought across is understood by them as well. I also have to ensure that I am presentable. I have to ensure that my tone of voice and body language are all in check. Being a representative of Ourglass Robotics, I would like to provide the clients with the best customer experience. Having first-hand experience of being a new intern, I found that the training provided was not as effective. It consisted us the new interns to shadow the senior colleagues at work, where we would observe on how they perform the daily operations. This however led to only learning about the features required for that restaurant only. I also am unsure if I have been taught everything that is necessary for the operation of the robot, as there was not a proper guide available for me to have a reference to. Hence, this is why for my project I have decided to develop a proper training system for the new staff and interns at Ourglass Robotics. Upon teaching of the trainees through a live demonstration, I would then mark out the respective objectives, which they have cleared. After the training is completed, I would then issue them a quiz, which would test their overall understanding and knowledge of the lessons taught. To end it off, upon receiving good results in the quiz, a certificate would automatically be generated and sent through their email address. They are also able to observe their progress made, and have an in-depth detail on those objectives, which are yet to be completed. This would ensure that the trainees are well educated and ready for the operation of the robots, by making sure they have partook in a full training on the necessary. In conclusion, this internship experience has helped me in many different ways. It has helped me gain the relevant insights on how does a startup company operate and a taste of the working world. It has helped my growth not only in my technical skills, but for me personally as well. It was a memorable and interesting internship journey, and I would like to thank Singapore Polytechnic and Ourglass Robotics for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching.